My name is Lorenzo, the online programming coordinator at North York Community House. What is North York Community House? It's a neighborhood center that has been working with newcomers and residents in the North York area of Toronto for over 30 years. What do? We offer a wide variety of programs to help children, youth, adults, and seniors to settle, thrive, and belong in their new lives in Canada. Now, let's find out what we're going to talk about today. Hi, everyone, and welcome, Lucy.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Lorenzo, for inviting me.
Thank you, Lucy, for being here. So Lucy is a gender-based violence education worker and settlement worker at North York Community House. So first of all, Lucy, I can see in your background, you have a sign. So can you maybe tell us a little bit about that sign?
Sure. One of the main reasons that I create this sign is this an embroidered banner. And I do it because I need to believe in myself. And when I want to believe in myself, I have to tell myself who you are. So in this moment, I feel that I am beautiful and I am amazing and I am the best person on earth. And that's what I'm doing it. And the second reason that I'm doing this is because I'm running an art groups online. And this is for women that want to join the group. We are welcome to do all this kind of crafts.
Okay, so yeah, and this is, I think, something special about the Women's Learning Circle that Lucy is running. So, Lucy, what kind of crafts do you create in the circle?
Okay, really, we started the program just on December, November. I don't remember very much. One of the ones that we did is this one. This is called in Spanish arpillera, and everybody create their own arpillera. Okay, so this is like something that happened in our countries when there are the mountains and the houses and the sun, and we saw everything. Okay.
No way.
Everything is sold. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. And I also know that you create cards.
This is going to be my next program. Exactly. We're going to be doing some crafts, some cards, like creating your own cards. Okay, so we have to be creative. So if you want to do Christmas cards or some Valentine's or birthday cards or Mother's Day cards or Family Day or Eid cards, you know, we can always create what is the need for every community, you know. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to start the program just now on February the 17th. So that's going to be 4 days, 1 hour per day. If somebody want to stay longer, I'm willing to stay longer. And yeah, this is just a new program that I'm going to run now in February.
Perfect. Okay, so this is art. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Lucy.
Sorry, and also we're gonna do the cards and we're gonna do the banners.
That's good. Yeah, for empowerment. I like it.
Yes,
I like it.
Yes,
yeah, like it.
And at the time that we're doing all that art, we're gonna have somebody giving us some kind of knowledge for us to be a little bit more powerful respect to our own lives and our own situations. Mm-hmm. So that's good that by the time that we are creating, we are listening, and we can do both things, you know.
Okay, and what kind of role does art play in this circle? Because you said, you know, creating arts, and so it's like kind of like a therapeutic.
Exactly, because when you are creating or when you are doing art, your mind tends to relax. You know, so this is a very therapeutic program, and in my experience, anytime that I am creating something, I feel relaxed. I feel like my problems are far away. So you know, like for me is very important to try to give to your mind a little bit of relax during all this stressful time.
Perfect. Okay, and who is providing the material?
Oh, NYCH is providing the materials.
okay.
Nobody has to buy anything, maybe glue or maybe something like that. But as a matter of fact, I have a kit here. So this is the kit that I'm going to send now for with all the materials. This is all the needle, the everything that people can create, okay? And I'm sending the cards, all the cards with the envelopes.
Wow.
And I'm sending the stickers, all kind of stickers
no
that people
way.
can use. And see, all kind
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
stuff
Oh,
that you can be using. Okay. And also, I'm sending the banners for them to embroider.
no way.
So I'm
Okay.
sending this,
Mhm.
and look at this. This is says I am impressive,
Yeah.
and I send him 3 different colors of wool that they're gonna be working on it.
Wow.
That's
Interesting.
all for free.
Wow, it's such an interesting initiative. So for the people who are watching, if you are interested, please, you can send an email to Lucy. You can find the email down below to register. And yeah, thank you, Lucy, for coming.
Thank you, Lorenzo, for inviting me. This is an amazing experience.
Thank you. And I see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.